Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download an embedded PDF from a website, even when there's no download button available. So first, I want you to open the page that contains the PDF that you want to save, then right click on an empty part of the page, and then select Inspect. You can also press the F12 key on your keyboard to open the developer tools. And once the developer menu appears, look for the network tab, and if you cannot see it right away, click the small arrow icon to view the other available tabs. And then after opening network, press Ctrl and R on your keyboard to refresh the website. Next, select the Fetch XHR option, then type PDF into the filter box, and then this will make it easier to find the PDF files being loaded on the page. Now, look through the results and then find the PDF that you need. Right click on the correct file, then choose Open in New tab. The PDF may open in your browser where you can click the download icon in the top right corner, and in some cases, the file may download automatically and appear inside your downloads folder. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.